video for you. Check it out. Alright, start the video off with a little pull. It's just a normal video, a little commute to work. Thought I'd make a little video. I mean, it's got the boys out, the boys in blue. As I'm saying, yeah, making a little video, POV action in the G8. So, I've had the car for about a couple of weeks now. Actually, about a week and a half, 2 weeks, probably 2 weeks, yeah. Man, I'm very pleased with this car so far. I couldn't be. This is one of the best cars I done had so far, man. This car is, I don't know, this car has a lot of potential. And this video is going to be a little bit of some pulls and a little bit of me just talking about the car. First things first, I have to say that if you're looking to get a G8, or you're thinking about getting a G8, or you're just watching the video, to see the car, I would highly suggest, if you are looking to get one and you're thinking about getting one, pull the trigger and get one. You'll be happy. You'll thank me later. Trust me. This car is badass. And also, it's easy to mod. A lot of simple stuff is going to get you nice power gains. Nice power gains. This car is easily... It's very easy to get this car to 400 horses. Easy. No problem. So, like I said, I'll be doing my cold air intake soon. LS7 mass airflow sensor soon. Hopefully hooking up the E85 sensor on this one also, so I can run E85 flex fuel. Trying to think what else. I think that's it for right now, but those are little small mods that I'm gonna do first. Give me that extra kick, and then I'm gonna save up to do a stall converter first before I really get into the big stuff, because adding all this power with the stock stall ain't gonna cut it. So I want to address the stall issue first, because 1800 RPM stall ain't gonna do much of anything, especially when you're putting down a lot of power. You ain't gonna, I mean, this car is not putting down a lot of power, but you know, once I begin to mod the car and all that stuff, cam it, I'm gonna need that higher stall to really get the quarter mile times down, get that 60 foot down, and get a good quarter mile time. Your quarter mile time is all in your 60. Get a good 60, you're gonna get a good quarter mile time. Now, unless you got a car that's fucking top end crazy, that you can just you know, you can, and this boy's out this weekend, but yeah, unless you have a top end car that just pulls something crazy and can't get off the line worth shit. So like I said, I'm gonna do those little mods first, then I'm gonna do the stall. And after I do the stall, then I'm gonna tackle the rest of the stuff in the engine, internals, cams, all that, etc. But like I said, man, this car is clean. It's nice. It rides great for the weight of this car, and I think the 20s that it has on it, the Camaro rims. This thing moves. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to get more videos of, you know, me making more pulls. You know, maybe getting a few races or whatnot. So all that's gonna be in later videos. So I'm gonna we're gonna continue to keep this content coming. Also, if you haven't liked the channel, please do subscribe to the channel also, so we can keep this content coming. So the more likes and more subscribes I get, the more content I'm gonna try to put out, more videos about the car. Any particular things you want to know about the car, or you have questions for those guys that are looking to get a G8 or interested in getting a G8, anything you want to know, feel free to put some comments below. I will get to the comments as fast as I can. I'll make sure all the guys that, you know, I'll try to make sure whoever leaves comments, I try to make sure I get to those comments, man. I mean, you know, I see a lot of videos. You know, I watch a lot of YouTube myself, so I see a lot of videos where a lot of people comment on people's videos, man, and they just don't ever get back to them. So I try to make sure I get back to the guys, you know, guys or girl, whoever leaves a comment, I try to make sure I get back to them as fast as I can, you know, to answer that question with whether I can help or not. So, but like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what videos you might be interested in me doing. I'm gonna try to get some videos of me doing launches in the car. I just got to get somebody to record me doing it. So once I can figure that out, I'm gonna do some pulls of the video on the outside of the car view. So So that's that, man. Further ado, man, we're gonna get back into this car stuff real quick. Let y'all hear this. Got the windows up, normal cruise, 76 miles an hour. Puts me in the mind of back in like 04, 05, I bought a 03 Cadillac DeVille. The way it rides, man, it puts me in the mind of that car, man. That was like a smooth riding car. That was a big boat too, but man, that car was a smooth riding car. It puts you in the mind, even though it has independent suspension, man. It rides real nice. It's not. I mean, this the way it rides now is before coilovers and springs, which I'm gonna end up addressing that issue also later down the line. But also I got this ABS light on. When I got the car, the guy, I guess the car is not reading that it has bigger rims on it, so it's throwing that code. But I got my HP tuners down there. I don't know if you can see it. I got my laptop just kind of monitoring different things. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to reset that, or either I'm gonna get under there and make sure none of the wires are chafed or anything like that. So once I get some free time, I'm gonna jack the car up and look at it. Let's see what we can do real quick. Real quick. That thing jumps in the third gear, man. Cruising, man, is no drone inside. It's quiet. But once I open it up, man, you can really hear the headers and exhaust. But cruising, you wouldn't even really know this thing got headers on it. It's so quiet. We'll roll the window down and see if I can. We're not gonna be able to hear anything. But yeah, man, this car is pretty quiet. Get cruising until I get into it. Alright, man, so I'm in the video there. Don't want to do too much. Boys in Blue is out this weekend. Ain't trying to get no tickets, so we'll do some more videos, man. Hit the notification button so you can know when these videos come up. Check them out. Hey, man, thanks for watching. I'll check y'all later.